How to make image banner text clickable in Shopify. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can set up this text into your banner in your Shopify store so the person who click on it is going to open a new web page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find Shopify website and sign up links in the description of this video. So basically, if you want to set up this, you must go into your Shopify dashboard, go into your online store themes. This is my current theme, and I'm going to click in customize in order to get into the edition of this part. Okay, so here I am into my web page, and this is the text. I can add a button, also shop all, but by now I'm going to edit this part in case you don't have it yet. So I'm going to erase all the text, and you have different options just to write something, okay? And if I save it, this is gonna obviously change here into my store. But I recommend you to delete all the text that you have there and go into insert link, the fourth option in this part. And the text is going to be browse our latest products. Here the link, this is going to suggest you some different parts, different pages of your own store. So perhaps I want to redirect this person into my collections. All collections it could be, and I can save it like that. There is an option to open this link in a new window, okay? So if I do that and I click in insert, that's my text and it has like a new URL. I'm gonna click on save, and if I restore this and I open this, this is gonna be redirected to one of my collections. But perhaps you want an external link. I recommend you again to delete all the text, write your text again, browse our latest products, and you must go, just for the example, I want to copy this link, so I'm gonna paste it here to select this suggestion, and again, open this link in a new window. By now, I'm not gonna check this option in order to show you how this is gonna work. I'm gonna click on insert, save here, and if I go again into my store and refresh, if I click here, the page, the web page is gonna be opened in the same tab here. So that's it. That's how you can set up your text, your URL, and it's gonna be clickable. Thanks for watching.